Hello everybody, I got my first checkbook. I got my first checkbooks. I'm gonna show you how to insert the checkbook. So guys, when you open it up, you have two different sides, right? So this side would be for the check lap, the checkbook right here. And you would use this piece to like write on it. For example, so when you write on the check, the ink doesn't like damage the next check. So you would use this to just like write on it. Kind of like if it was like a notebook or something. So honestly, so right here, so as you see, I'm trying to make this so you can see, this is the back side, right? So you got the front, this is the back side. This right here. What you want to do is you just want to insert, so if you could see, insert like that. As you can see, it's going in. Hold on. As you can see, it's going in there. Just like that. So I don't want to show any like, address and stuff like that. But look, as you can see, it's in there. And like I said, this right here, you would just, I don't want to like show anything, but like you would use it to write the check and stuff. It's kind of like a little notepad, like I said. So boom, you have the first one in there, right? Look at that. That looks really nice. That looks really nice. Sorry about that. And then now you have this one. So you're gonna do the exact same thing. You're gonna open it up. Sorry about that, I'm getting a phone call. You're gonna open it up like that, and you're gonna do the same thing. Hold on. You'll do the same thing. Just like that. Boom. And now look, you have your checkbook. There you go. Checkbook. It was really simple, but I love how Capital One did this, man. Look at that. That's super nice. But yeah, I got my checkbook. Make sure when you get to a old enough age that you make sure that you get your checkbook. You never know when you may have to write a check to somebody or whatnot, but it's good to have it. So I hope that it was really educational for you. I hope you learned how to make your checkbook, because when they send it in the mail, this is what happens. They send it in the mail and the books are just like, they're not even in here. You know what I mean? They're separate from the checkbook and stuff. So all you have to do is just, like I showed you, and boom, there you have it. Thank you for watching.